In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on MetaTrader 5. We'll walk through a simple, clear process that takes you from opening a chart to actually placing a buy or sell order, so you can start trading with confidence. Even if you're completely new to MetaTrader 5, just follow along step by step and you'll be able to do this on your own by the end. First, make sure you're on the main MetaTrader 5 screen and that the Market Watch window is visible. Market Watch is usually on the left side of the platform, and it shows a list of trading instruments such as currency pairs, indices, or other assets your broker offers. If you don't see it, you can usually enable it from the View menu at the top of the platform. Once Market Watch is open, look for the symbol you want to trade. For example, this could be a popular currency pair like EURUSD. When you see the symbol you're interested in, move your mouse over it and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options related to that instrument. From that menu, select Chart Window. This will open a new price chart for that symbol. Having the chart in front of you is important because it lets you quickly see how the price is moving before you place any trades. You can adjust the time frame, zoom in or out, and add indicators if you want, but for now we'll focus on placing the order. At the top of the platform, just above the chart, you'll see a toolbar with several icons. Look for the button labeled New Order and click it. This opens the order window, which is where you enter all the details of your trade. In the order window, start by choosing your volume, which is the size of your position. This represents how big your trade will be, and it directly affects your potential profit or loss, so choose a size that fits your risk management plan. Next, you'll see fields for stop loss and take profit. A stop loss is the price level where the trade will automatically close if it moves against you, helping limit your losses. A take profit is where the trade will automatically close in profit once the market reaches your target. Take a moment to carefully enter your volume, your stop loss level, and your take profit.